I don't think we need to be very concerned about robots taking over human beings, because after all, robot is artificial intelligence, which therefore means it is really created intelligence. The intelligence was instilled in the robot by human beings. So we will always have the brain work, whereas the task work can be performed by robots. However, I think there is a sense of urgency that as a result of this hybrid intelligence, which is now combined between human brain and the robot's intelligence, we need to be assured that we can no longer focus ourselves too much on the task-oriented jobs. We really have to focus on intelligence jobs. You really need to open yourself up to accept that technology is there, make use of the technology, explore additional and new possibilities that you can do.